Hello, and welcome to an introduction to SST Summit version 8.2.1. Today we will be covering two main topics, product recommendation override and soil sensor import. Product direct override is accessed by placing a new farm right order. Order placement largely remains the same. Default product override, in essence, gives the user the flexibility to specify a different product to apply to a nutrient recommendation while they're placing the farm right order. This checkbox allows a user to have the opportunity to apply a product to a task that otherwise they would have no input. Here's an example of a task where a user would normally not need to provide any input. In this example, it is a lime recommendation, and I've already established a lime product of 25%. At the result of this process, I will get a nutrient recommendation back along with a product recommendation that has the properties that I've specified. I will give you a better view of the properties in the next step. Here's a task that has many input parameters for the user to interact with. Notice the green plus sign where a user can click this and add more than one product to create when the task is finished. To remove any extra products that you do not desire to make, simply click the minus. To add a new product, click this selection in the drop-down. In this UI, you can create a new product recommendation override item, or you can edit an existing one. You can give it a user-friendly name, specify all the other properties that you're familiar with in usual product recommendation creation. You can also delete them. The rest of your farm right order will complete as ordinary, but if you've specified a default product and you have a default product specified locally, the default product specified during farm right ordering will supersede any locally specified values. The other topic of this video is the import of soil sensor data. We've added a new item in this drop-down list named soil sensor. This was previously known as EC data. You will notice there is now a new drop-down in the middle named manufacturer. There's only one item in there now, and then that's Veris. And in the third drop-down, we have two supported data formats. One is for EC, organic matter, and CEC. The other is for the pH. Summit will have the support for data that is collected as raw in the DAT format, or the cleaned and calibrated format in the TXT file format. Once the data is imported, you can go to the field and let's have a look. Here's an example of calibrated data that contained CEC, OM, and Veris data. Here's the list of other attributes that we have support for: EC shallow, EC deep, organic matter, and CEC. In the pH layer of data, we have many other attributes that are available too. We have pH average, pH 1, pH 2, pH calibrated, and buffer pH. That concludes our introduction to SST Summit version 8.2.1. Thank you.